frost, fizzy pop, fruit punch, hit me in the jaw. Love struck, padlock, tied around my heart. Leave the blinkers on, car park, 1 o'clock. In the club with your shades on. I say jump and you jump. Ask me how high, baby, to the sky. I say love, give it up. You say how right, beat me up, back where I belong. Past the twilight, near the sun, with my shades on, my shades on. Near the sun, with my shades on, my shades on. Near the sun, with my shades on, my shades on. Near the sun, with my shades on. Near the sun, with my shades on. Bruised up, pop rocks, good luck. Kiss me on the heart.
Ready for our treacherous hike? Here we go.
Okay.
It's no biggie. We're just going down this little thing without any rope or any spikes. There we go. You ready, babe?
Go?
No, I'm gonna. No.
Come that close to you?
I'd rather you hit me from like 6 feet than like 20 feet.
I was gonna go on this side. You want me to go on that side?
Yeah, go on this side.
Okay.
You can grab me on the way down, is what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm one thing you can grab onto, and don't feel bad about grabbing me. But we're gonna stay together. These ice caves are just amazing.
We made it.
Look at that. Right? There's a monster on this backside. This thing is just a mammoth. Look at this one. I can't even put my hand. It's like a web of icicles. So we're getting towards the end here.
Can't see the light yet, but we're getting there.
You see we're surrounded by icicles everywhere. Actually, I can't really tell what this GoPro's picking up, but there are icicles everywhere. And got some mineral coming through the, oh, it's like snow almost. It's like snow ice, yeah. So you can smell the earth over here, like soil. So we're thinking we're pretty close to the exit. Ready? Let's do this.
It's a pretty far drop down here, and it's really slippery too, so be really careful.
There's all these icy handles to grab onto. Don't let those hit you in the head.
It's a long drop down. And it drops right onto ice, so be careful.
Woo! We did it. Watch your head. There's an ice stick right over your head. There you go. Other side. Perfect. Look at that one. Right beside you.
I'm gonna toss this up there a little bit.
Here, go ahead, toss it to me.
I'm not like claustrophobic, but I was getting anxious, like looking at those giant boulders and just imagining like
The cave in.
hear the earth start to like rumble and like you're just screwed. I was like, oh.
At least you get stabbed by a bunch of icicles before you got crushed.
Yeah. At least I ate a yummy granola bar before I got crushed.
It's disorienting coming out of there. It feels warm. You feel that?
Yeah. It's like muggy almost.
It's like a 60-degree breeze. Dude, it was frigid in there. It feels warm.
Yeah.
Made it. Yeah, just a second. Snowmobile would have been a nice little trip up here.